it's Lexi. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna just be bringing you guys along with me on my normal night routine. You guys know I recently moved out and I'm in my own crib now. I'm in my own place. I'm so happy to be here. Life is crazy and just crazy. Feel so blessed. So thank you guys, everyone who tunes in, everyone who watches my videos. Thank you so much. I love each and every one of you guys from the very bottom of my heart. So thank you very freaking much. We just gonna jump right in, okay? My kitchen stank. I got trash in my trash can that has got to be taken out. So I need to stop playing games and actually figure out where the trash compactor is. I've been here quite some time and like I've only been to the trash compactor once in the daytime and I need to figure out how to use it, so. I refuse to have trash just sitting in my house. I'm gonna take this right now to the trash. Now that my trash is out, my apartment cannot stink. Oh, I need to put a new bag in there. I want to clean up my apartment. I kind of did the dishes already, so there's not many dishes to do. I've been doing good, y'all. An empty sink at night is exactly what I'm going for every single day. So I also want to clean up my room a little bit too because it's just a mess. It's not even that bad, but I just want to get it cleaned up a little bit. That was like 5 seconds. Something I've been noticing is that when I do a nightly cleanup, I don't know, my brain hurts a lot less. Like literally, when my space is cluttered, it actually does clutter my brain. I actually can't stand it. I don't know, it's working so far. Finding out what works for me is literally the key. Finding out what works for you is the key to life. So find out what works for you, girl. For me, it's doing nightly cleanups. So I love to put this stuff in my sink because not only does it make my kitchen and just like my house smell really good and clean, I just like to use this solution to wipe down all my counters before I go to bed and before I sweep. that feels so good. Like, you guys have got to try that. Clean up before going to bed. It's like the best feeling ever. Now that like I'm done cleaning and like moving my body, I can take a shower and the rest of the night can really be just chill. And I'm gonna really take my time tonight because I just want to focus on myself. So I'm gonna make it a little bit of a self-care night just by putting some intention behind some of the things that I'm doing. When I take a shower, I'm gonna really take a shower. I don't know if that makes sense, but like I'm gonna just enjoy my shower. So let me get my Bluetooth speaker. Yup. So this little guy right here is how I make my shower go live. I just got out the shower. I had a great shower. Before I get any further, I would love to thank CVS for sponsoring today's video. So my wellness journey with CVS is coming to an end and I've learned so much on my journey so far. I think the biggest thing I've learned throughout this journey is that self-care, whether it be for my physical, emotional, or mental health, is the most important thing that I can do for myself, is take some time to take care of me. I think one of my favorite products throughout this wellness journey has to be the Ollie gummies because they're so good. And they're also packed with so many vitamins and nutrients that we need for our bodies, all into a delicious gummy. That's my favorite product throughout this whole journey. I would definitely be carrying what I've learned this year into next year. And my mental health is gonna be the best it's ever been. I'm declaring it from now. So today I'm gonna be using the Olay Hyaluronic Nourishing and Hydrating Body Lotion. So I actually only recently learned about hyaluronic acid and what it actually is. It's literally moisture. I actually use hyaluronic acid in every single one of my get ready videos. It's a little serum and I put it on my face every single day. And I can put the same care that I've been putting into my face and trying to keep my face moisturized into my body just by using this Olay lotion. I'm gonna be using this on my whole body. I love how this feels on my skin. Like, I know some people don't like how lotion feels on their body right before bed, but this lotion honestly just goes right into my skin. The next product that I'm gonna be using from CVS is the Pixie Detoxify Eye Patches. They're for depuffing, dark circles, and eye puffs. And you guys know, y'all already know me and my little under eyes. Because the skin around my eyes is very thin and sensitive, I've kind of been neglecting to take care of it. So I thought this would be perfect to include in my night routine tonight. So before I put the Detoxify eye patches on, I'm gonna wash my face because, you know, I wanna make sure my face is clean. Oh, let me take a thumbnail. Let me pause for a thumbnail. Take these off now. Thank you so much to CVS for this opportunity and this entire wellness journey. If you guys want to start your wellness journey or check out any of the products, check out the link in the description box below. I don't know about you, but I want some cookies. I tried to make cookies the other day and I burnt them so bad. I don't know what I was doing. I think I want to make cookies. I think that'll be like so chill, like, you know. I'm still trying to find my solid down-packed routine because I'm new to this whole living alone thing. But I want to take time out for myself as well, even that's just baking some cookies. Except I do not want to burn them this time. I think what I did, I had them in there, but they were on like the really low. I didn't move the rack up, basically. So they didn't cook all the way. And then I was like, those aren't done. So I left them in longer. Then they just burnt. I am sometimes so loud in here. I hope my neighbors aren't like, what just moved in next door? An animal? Cause like I'll just be walking, boom, drops an entire broom and dustpan on the floor just cause like I'm just going everywhere at like 100 miles per hour. I'm gonna try to make some cookies, but I need to put my hair up. 1 sec. I'm no professional baker. I can't, you know, do all the good stuff from scratch. All I have are these, it's cookie dough. I mean, what'd you expect? Like, I'm just a guy. But these are busting too. Like, I love these. If I can make it right. Let me show y'all where I went wrong. Tell me if. I don't know if it's me or the stove. I think it's me though. So basically, this is how it was. I'm pretty sure that was just way too low, bro. It has to be probably right there for some cookies to go. Oh. All right, guys. Oven is preheated. This better work this time. I'm telling you, the last time I tried to make cookies, it just was not pretty. So I'm really hoping for a better outcome, given the fact that I moved the tray up. And I'm only gonna make 4 cookies. Like, it's only me here, so don't need any more than that. I'll just set a timer. Fingers crossed these come out as cookies. I'm gonna set a 13-minute timer based off the instructions. That's what the bag said. I feel like we should talk, you guys. We have to get real quick. Living alone is cool. I really do like it. It's definitely an experience that I love. But I do have my moments when I'm a little scared. And, you know, I just have to kind of remember that I got this. That's the part that I feel like is the most rewarding almost, because when I go through hard days or when I get through hard things and I freaking don't lose my mind, I was like, I did that by myself here at my house alone with no help. And that can be sad, but when I get out of the, you know, mindset, I feel good because I was like, wow, I did that. Phew. I feel like some people are gonna know what I mean, you know? Living alone is cool. I'm really doing this, like, with the help of you guys, of course. We really doing this together, but I actually love the way my house is turning out. My mom's been helping me with everything. I couldn't do it without her, but I think I have a cool place. You tell me. All right, guys. I don't even know anymore. It's been like 15 minutes, which is like way too long, but they just didn't look like they were cooking. This attempt was definitely better than the last one by the looks of it. They look less burnt. Let me flip this over. Okay, last time I flipped it over and it was literally black. So I'm gonna pour some milk. Please, cookie. Guys, look at that. That don't look too bad. Okay. It's a little burnt. The bottom is a little burnt, but they passed my test of edibleness. Okay. That was good. I want to watch some Netflix while I enjoy these cookies because I literally, do you see that? I killed these, so I think it's only right to finish the rest of them with a movie. I actually like them a little burnt anyway, so you guys don't understand. I was so disappointed when I tried to make those cookies last time and they just were burnt and they were just not cookies. Ugh. Okay, me and my 3 cookies gonna go watch some Netflix. One thing I've been completely lacking on, and I'm so upset at myself for lacking on this, is writing in my journal every single day. Whether it's day or night, I just love to write in my journal and just, you know, empty my head, empty my thoughts, because literally 4,000 things go through my head in a day, and I don't know, it is what it is. So I really just love to journal and get it out. And I also just like to set intentions and set goals and remind myself, like, you guys might not believe me, but sometimes I literally have to just remind myself what my purpose of life is. Yeah, I be having existential crises out here, like, left and right. I think it'll really help my anxiety levels, and it'll just help me feel like I have control, because I do. Just need to remember. I'm gonna turn on the TV, just some nice frequencies, just something to help clear my brain and help me calm down. Pretty much, girl. I always need a late night snack. Like, my go-to is definitely some string cheese, even some fruit. Bro, string cheese is like the superior snack. I've been eating string cheese since I was a kid though, so that could be why I love it so much. I don't know. Also, it's cheese, so it has a lot of calories, so I just feel like I'm a little bit full after eating it. I don't know. And when you break it up and you make it last longer, you're fuller somehow, even though you're eating the same amount of cheese. You know what I'm saying? If I were to take this string cheese and just like, that felt illegal. If I were to do that, I would be less full somehow. It doesn't make sense to me, but I think I'm gonna have some raspberries too. Why not? Yeah. That's a good late night snack. These raspberries were pretty sweet. This feels like living alone and just be you in the whole crib. Alright guys, I'm all ready for bed. I have some water. I was supposed to put this here to have in the nighttime just in case I wake up thirsty, because I do that every night, and I already drank it. I'll get some more. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to click the link in the description box down below if you want to start your health and wellness journey with CVS, or if you just want to check out some of the products I used. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, hit the post notification bell, and hit that subscribe button. I love you guys so much. I will see you in the next one. Peace. And good night.